Hello, my name is Muhammad Osama Rashid. I am the owner of this land. We grow wheat crop in our fields. This contributes to the 2% of the total GDP of Pakistan. 40% of the total agricultural land of Pakistan is cropped and harvested with the wheat. It's a very profitable crop. People in Pakistan usually eat wheat and as their main diet. The byproducts of wheat are very much like useful. The basic ingredient of the basic byproduct of the wheat is hay, which is commonly eaten by cows, and we sell this crop in the market and it gives very good profit. There are many people working in our farm which work for us, and they grow the crops and they take care of the farm, and at the end of the day we sell the whole crop in the market. Approximately 1.5 tons per hectare is the total weight of the crop.
Walaikum assalam.
Assalamu Chacha.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I have got blessing on me.
Chacha, which crop is this?
This is wheat.
Wheat, okay. And how long does it take to rip?
The seeding starts sowing approximately at 1st of December, and by January the 1st you can see the plant. Around 1st April, before 10 April, the crop is ready to cut.
Okay. And how much water does it need?
The wheat crop is given fertilizer twice, and for watering it's compulsory to water it twice, or maximum you can water it 3 times in a whole season.
And what is the average production? Say, what is the average production of 1 hectare of land?
The production can vary, but it can be around 30 mounds to 35 mounds if the land is good. The average can go around 40 mounds. It depends on the land a lot. After India's water blockage on Pakistan land, the fertility of the soil has lessened. In past, we have seen and we have witnessed that the wheat production was around 50 to 55 mounds as well.
Oh, okay. And what's the procedure of cutting?
We are cutting the crop by hand. It will take us around 10 to 15 days to finish. After that, we will use thresher to get the wheat clean. If we use harvester, it's rapid our work, but we don't get the hay to feed the animals. To get the hay, we have to cut it by hand.
ਇਹਦੀ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਟਾਈ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਹ ਆ ਕਿ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਥ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਗਾਂਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਪਰ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦੇ ਇਲਾਕਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤਾਦਾਦ ਇਹਦੀ ਗੰਦਮ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਇਲਾਕੇ 'ਚ ਬੀਜੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕਾਸ਼ਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਟਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਥ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਗਾਂਹਦੇ। ਥ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਾਣੇ ਅਲੱਗ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਤੂੜੀ ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਸਾਡੀ ਉਹ ਅਲੱਗ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਥ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਬਿਹਤਰੀਨ ਦਾਣੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਫ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਾਣੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਸਾਫ਼ ਦਾਣੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ।